How to sign up DoorDash account. Hey there, welcome back to the channel and let's get right into this tutorial. To sign up for your DoorDash account, what you can do is first and foremost, you can tap open your DoorDash application if you have installed in your device. If not, you can head over and search for DoorDash.com. Now in here to sign up, first and foremost click on the login button. This will redirect you to a new page of sign in or sign up. If you have already created your account, you could have selected on the sign in button. Since we are creating a new one, click on the sign up button. So in here, you will see some of these empty fields. Firstly, enter your first name, your last name, email address, then your country code along with your mobile number. After that, enter a password and make sure it matches the criteria of the DoorDash. Then, click on the sign up button. You may have to verify your email address. For that, a verification link will be provided to your associated email. Make sure to verify your email address in your DoorDash as well. So this is how you sign up for your DoorDash. Wasn't it simple? Make sure to go ahead and give it a try and thank you so much for tuning in. We will see you very soon.